Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you about a machine that made me question everything I thought I knew about vintage campers, electricity, and the sanity of people who turn 1970s buses into rolling power plants. I'm talking about the electric conversion 1973 Volkswagen Type 2, a classic kombi that someone looked at and said, "You know what this needs? 14 Tesla batteries and enough voltage to make my neighbor Gary's hair stand up permanently." And trust me, Timmy already looks like he lost a fight with a leaf blower. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel because I believe this journey is going to be full of sparks, both electrical and emotional, and you don't want to miss the next ridiculous machine I dig up. Now, this 1973 VW Type 2 started life in Montana as a normal, air-cooled hippie mobile. But in 2020, someone decided internal combustion was too mainstream and transplanted a Hyper 9 HV electric motor under the rear hatch. And that's not all. This thing got stuffed with 14 Tesla Model S battery modules, giving it a total capacity of 72.8 kilowatt hours. I think that's enough juice to power my entire campsite, my buddy boba coffee addiction, and maybe even my neighbor Timmy, illegal Christmas light display that once caused a citywide power dip. The battery pack feeds the rear wheels through a single-speed drive unit because shifting is overrated when you're cruising on electrons. Charging happens through an SAE J1772 system compatible with Level 1 and Level 2 chargers, which means you can plug in at home or at your friend's house, assuming they trust you not to overload their garage outlet. A master cutoff switch is included, which I like the most because anytime a vehicle needs a switch labeled master cutoff, you know it means business. Finished in Kasan Red L30B, the bus still wears its extended roof, white bumpers and LED headlights. There's a skylight up top, which is great for stargazing or checking if the battery smoke you smell is coming from your van or your friend's barbecue. The right rear marker light and sliding door handle are missing, but replacements come with it, because nothing says vintage charm like some assembly required. The paint shows oxidation and blemishes, and I believe that's part of the appeal. It's like the bus is saying, "Sure, I'm electric now, but I've lived a life." The 14-inch black steel wheels with VW hubcaps are wrapped in mismatched tires, which reminds me of my buddy Timmy wardrobe. Nothing matches, but somehow it works. Stopping power comes from four-wheel drum brakes. Yes, drums, on an electric vehicle with 72.8 kilowatt hours of battery weight. And the parking brake doesn't work, which I think adds a certain thrill to parking on any incline above 0 degrees. Inside, the forward cabin has 2 bucket seats trimmed in quilted red vinyl, a center console, crank windows, and a Sony CD stereo with Bluetooth, feeding a Rockford Fosgate sound system with an amp, subwoofer, tweeters, and component speakers. If you blast music loud enough, people won't even notice the mismatched tires or the fact that your parking brake is purely decorative. The rear cabin brings full camper charm. Inward-facing seats that fold into a bed, storage cabinets, sliding windows, privacy curtains, a sink, and even a toilet. Because nothing says road trip luxury like indoor plumbing. The skylight up top vents, which is very important when that onboard toilet gets enthusiastic. The 2-spoke wheel frames a 90 miles per hour VDO speedometer, though I believe this bus has never seen 90 miles per hour unless it was falling off a cliff. The odometer shows 5,000 miles after rolling over, with roughly 30,000 added by the seller. A digital voltage gauge sits in the center, reminding you constantly that you're driving a rolling battery pack, one enthusiastic squirrel away from disabling your commute. This conversion isn't for the faint of heart. There's an audible buzzer that sounds when voltage gets too high or too low, and the battery coolant requires occasional topping off. I think that makes it feel like owning a pet, one that hums quietly and costs way more to feed. Now let's talk money. This electric 1973 Type 2 sold for $10,500, €7, which I believe is shockingly, yes, shockingly reasonable for a fully electrified vintage camper with Tesla DNA. Try finding a modern EV with a toilet, skylight, and mismatched tires for that price. In the end, this electric VW Type 2 is more than a camper. It's a rolling experiment, time capsule rebooted with futuristic guts. It's the kind of machine you take to a campground just to watch people gather around and say, "Is that electric?" And then you nod proudly like you've just discovered fire. And now, ladies and gentlemen, as always, there's a link under the video where you can sponsor our channel for just $1. That's less than what my buddy Timmy spends on beef jerky during a single road trip. The sponsorship link is in the description under the video, so click it before this electric kombi silently rolls away.